Hi everyone, welcome back to PassFab. When you compressed your files into an RAR file and added a password, but you forgot the password, how to bypass WinRAR password? Actually, there is no way to remove password from RAR file. You can recover RAR password with PassFab for RAR. Get the software from PassFab website. Click Add to import your RAR file. Choose one password attack method. Select dictionary attack if you have frequently used passwords. Select brute force with mask attack if you remember something about your password. Select brute force attack if you remember nothing. Click Start to find your password. Wait for a while. Your password will be displayed here. Copy it. You can extract RAR file with this password. If your password is easy, you can retrieve it with command prompt. Copy the command into a notepad. Save the file with the extension BAT. Run the file as administrator. Enter your file name. Press Enter. Copy the file path here. Press Enter. It will start to retrieve password. It may take some time. Just wait patiently. You will get the password. Use it to unlock your RAR file.